How's it going? Welcome back to the channel, and we're doing an update here because things have been slightly delayed. We're making some progress, and tonight we're going to slowly get into the headers. Gasket has arrived, so I've started giving everything a good spray, and I've just been waiting for things to cool down. I prefer to work on things when it's just warm enough to really touch after giving it a spray with this stuff. I find that bolts will sort of move a little bit easier as opposed to letting it fully cool down and then contracting and all that sort of stuff. So I've gone ahead and at least got the heat shield off to start with. And there's the original manifold in there. Exhaust manifold. We're going to take that out, clean it up, wrap it up and put it in a original parts box, and then whack on the after one, and we'll do a before and after sort of sound test. And so looking forward to this. We'll crack on and we'll see how it goes. Right, as you can see, everything's been sprayed, and now we're just undoing some things down here. We also need to get into here and undo that water bypass hose. So that will need to be sprayed. Those nuts are quite tough. Give them a good healthy spray, especially if it hasn't been taken off in a while. Likewise with this thing here. Righto, so it's the next day. Ran out of time last night to get it all done, but it did get a fair bit cleaned up, that's for sure. And then just sort of getting a bit of an idea about how things are going to work for today. So we've got the manifold, or the replacement manifold, performance one. We've got to drill a hole here for the water bypass hose, and we've just fitted this part here. It's a lot of filing and cutting to get a nice snug fit, but this is what was stuck to it. So as you can see, she would have gone like that, and then like that. So I was thinking I could possibly just slip that straight over this. That's why I initially cut it to be that long, thinking it would just slide straight over, but it didn't, because of this groove here, which is on both sides. So I just hacked off a bit more, and I've got about ½ an inch in there, which has been basically die grind down and filed, so it's very, very tight fit. But I am going to probably chuck a brace over this. I could probably get it welded, but I think I might replace this bit at a different part, like a super high flow cat or something like that. We'll see how it goes anyway, so we're getting close. Right, well, we got those extractors finally on. There was a bit of a mish into the engine bay. Water bypass hose was a bit of a mish as well, but we managed to get that. So we'll just have a look underneath. And as you can see, the angle in which the bottom of this manifold gasket comes